Hi, I'm Emily,
And I'm Mackenzie.
and we're going to show you how to use Zoom. So the first step is to open your web browser of choice. You can do Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. We're going to use Google Chrome. The next step is to go to google.com, and in the search bar, you're going to type in Zoom. From there, you're going to select the first link that should come up, and it's zoom.us. And in the top right hand corner, there's an option to either sign in or sign up. So if you have an account, go ahead and sign in. But if not, we're going to sign up. And so what you're going to do is you're going to fill out the information as prompted, and then you can manually enter in an email address, or you can sign in if you have a Google account, or you can sign in with Facebook. The end result is the same. So after you have created an account, you're going to sign in. And then from there, we would like you to go back to the search page where we first Googled Zoom. And underneath that first link that we clicked on, there's going to be one that says download. So you're going to select that. And then you're going to download this first one that says Zoom Client for Meetings, and you'll just follow along as prompted. And so we're going to continue through all of these steps so it installs on the computer. Now that Zoom has been successfully installed, this is the main screen for Zoom. But first, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the email that you got from KUMC Audiology, and it'll have something along the lines of audiology appointment or Zoom, telehealth, something like that. And you're going to click the link that says Join Zoom Meeting. And from there, it'll prompt you to open in the app, and you're going to allow that. So that takes you directly to the app. And so from here, it'll say waiting for your host to start this meeting, and the audiologist who's helping you will let you in, and then you can start from there. Something to note is make sure when you get on that you turn on your camera and you enable your audio, and you can either enable audio through your computer speakers, or you can enable audio through headphones or a headset. It's whatever you're using, whatever you prefer, but just make sure that you select the right one.
We also came up with a couple of tips and tricks for your first telehealth appointment. And number one, make sure if you're using a laptop, you set it on a table or somewhere stable. And then make sure you're not sitting with a window behind you, because this creates a shadow and makes it difficult for the audiologist to see you. And also let people around you know that you're going to have an appointment, and make sure you're sitting in a quiet place. And also, if you're wanting to download this on your phone, if you don't have access to a laptop, you can do that as well, and it will work just the same. Make sure you just go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download the Zoom app, and it'll have the same icon as the one that you see here with the zoom.us. That's going to be the same app that you download, and then you can just sign in and create an account like normal. So thank you so much for joining us, and we're happy that we could help.